Hello and welcome to the Advent of Automation, your personal 20-day guide to streamlining your BI workflow. This is day one of our learning journey where we explore, use, and tweak existing automation templates in Power Automate. Templates are curated workflows designed to simplify the automation process. They cover a wide range of common tasks and scenarios, helping you learn as you go. These templates come with the necessary steps and connectors already included. All you need to do is log in with your credentials. I believe templates are an excellent way to explore some of the most common use cases for streamlined automation without having to start from scratch. With that said, let's dive in. Hello and welcome to BI-Lingual Analytics. My name is Roland and I'm here to guide you through the world of data, analytics and automation. If this is your first time around here, please consider hitting the like and subscribe buttons so you won't miss any of my tutorials. It means a lot to me and helps others to find content like this. Once you logged into Power Automate, click on the templates in the navigation menu on the left-hand side. Here you can search for specific connectors or applications you would like to explore, type in the process you want to automate, or browse by topic. For example, let's say we are looking for something Power BI related. I type Power BI into the search bar and hit enter. Just like that, Power Automate shows us several options involving Power BI. Some are relatively simple flows, like triggering a flow with a Power BI data-driven alert or updating an Excel table from Power BI. Others might be more complex, such as adding rows in a SQL Server table or sending an email with congratulations to a goal owner. I think you get the idea. Alternatively, we can search for a process to automate. For instance, if I want to automate saving email attachments, I can type it into the search bar. This lets me explore options with various connectors, such as automating Outlook.com, Office 365, or Gmail emails. You can even integrate OneDrive or Google Drive with these templates. Lastly, click on the topic section at the top to see some of the most popular options. When you're ready to select a template, check the bottom left and right corners. The bottom left indicates whether the automation is automated, instant, or scheduled. The bottom right shows how many times the automation has been used. A high number is usually a good sign of its utility. As I mentioned earlier, these templates streamline the creation process. For example, if I click on the Summarize Emails using GPT template, all I need to do is sign in with my credentials and the flow is ready to use. You can even customize the trigger parameters, such as specifying that the new email subject contains sales summary when it arrives in your inbox. Then I can choose which AI prompt to use. But let's stick with the summarize option for now. You can explore the prompt itself or even adjust the team's message that summarizes the email content. How good is that? When someone's asked where to start learning Power Automate, I always recommend templates. They offer a user-friendly graphical user interface, a wide range of proven flows created by community members, and great flexibility and customization. However, here are two important considerations. While templates are fantastic for starting your automation journey, you will eventually need to learn more technical aspects. It's easy to rely on templates, but at some point you will need to delve into triggers, actions, connectors, and even writing formulas. Templates work seamlessly within the Microsoft ecosystem. However, third-party applications may require extra configuration or a dedicated paid subscription. Always research before committing to any tool or system. If you ever get stuck, don't hesitate to ask the community for help. I'll include the link in the description box below. There's a large, supportive community ready to guide you on your Power Automate journey. That's all for today's introduction to Power Automate templates. I hope you enjoyed this series and by the end of December, or whenever you complete the learning, you will have some great automation ideas to enhance your BI workflow. If you have any questions or comments, drop them in the comment section below and I'll do my best to answer them quickly. Thanks for staying till the end. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons. Also, check out these tutorials to take your data, analytics, and automation journey to the next level. Until the next one, see ya!